Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 15 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. It hasn't sunk. You got tired, didn't you? Have the losses been covered? I wish she had come an hour ago. The conference has been put off. It happened largely because of her. I was dissatisfied with his reply. She will be free tonight, won't she? Do you have many colleagues? We checked out before midday.